Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey there, Tony Policastro from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at a Gibson Southern Jumbo True Vintage. But before I get into the rundown of this instrument, please sign up for the Acoustic Letter. You'll just be plain happy and tickled that you did so. The Gibson Southern Jumbo True Vintage. The Gibson Southern Jumbo in general has been a favorite of mine. I mean, I like every guitar in some little way, but as far as looks go, the Southern Jumbo totally steals my heart. And this particular one is of the True Vintage series, which is doubly cool. What we have is a red spruce top with classic Southern Jumbo pickguard, yellowed binding around the outside, rosewood bridge, bone saddle. We also have a rosewood fingerboard with split parallelogram inlay, one of my favorite parts about the guitar. We have 1 3/4 inch bone nut, classy Clusen tuners, I like that. That's cool, I'm going to use that for future videos. And the Gibson old style banner headstock. And on the back, we have solid mahogany back and sides. This guitar is, again, one of my personal faves just because I look at it and I think that just resembles awesomeness. And it sounds pretty darn good too. So let's give the Gibson Southern Jumbo True Vintage a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.